Evening, everyone. Our topic is reduce the use of fossil fuel by using technology, and this will be presented by me, Suchi Kumari, Kesav Kumar, and Badal Kumar. Now, this is the content which we will discuss in this PPT. First, introduction, then use of fossil fuel, effect of fossil fuel on the environment, use of technology to reduce the use of fossil fuel, solar cell, PEPGEN, inlet turbine, and electrical vehicles. Now, first introduction. What is fossil fuel? We know that fossil fuel are made from decomposing plants and animals and formed in earth over millions of years. These fuels are found in earth crust and contain carbon and hydrogen, which can be burned for energy. Now the type of fossil fuel. Fossil fuel are mainly three types. First coal, second petroleum and third natural gas. First coal. It is a hard black colored substance made up of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur. Second petroleum. It is clear oily liquid, usually green or black in color. It is also termed as black gold because of its wide range of uses in many industries. Third, natural gas. It is a clean and non-toxic fossil fuel. It is colorless and odorless and can be easily transferred through pipelines. Methane is the most important natural gas. Now the use of fossil fuel. We cannot imagine our life without using fossil fuel. They have vital role and are necessary in our daily life. These are some uses. To produce energy, very large amount of electricity can be generated. Fossil fuel are also used in transportation, medicine, synthetic fabric, lubricants, and cosmetics. Now, the effect of fossil fuel on the environment. There are many environmental issues of fossil fuels. First, air and water pollution. Second, burning fossil fuel produces carbon dioxide, which contributes to global warming. Third, burning coal produces sulfur dioxide, which contributes to acid rain. Fourth, mining coal can be dangerous and destroy the landscape. Now, these are some impacts of using fossil fuel. Use of technology to reduce the use of fossil fuel. Now we will discuss about four types of technology. By using that, we can reduce the use of fossil fuel. First, solar cells. Second, PEPGEN. Third, inlet turbine. And fourth, electrical vehicles. First, solar technology. Working of solar cell. The amount of sunlight that strikes the Earth's surface in an hour and a half is enough to handle the entire world's energy consumption for a full year. Solar technology converts sunlight into electrical energy either through photovoltaic panels or through mirror that concentrates solar radiation. When a solar panel exposed to sunlight, the light energy are absorbed by a semiconductor material. Due to this absorbed energy, the electrons are liberated and produce the external DC current. The DC current is converted into 240-volt AC current using an inverter for different applications. Now this shows how solar energy is converted into electrical energy. Now, use of solar cell. In our daily life, solar cells are used in different ways. First, solar lighting. One of the best ways to demonstrate the power and advantages of solar cell is their use in lighting up dark parts of villages. Second, solar power transportation. Railroads, subway, buses, planes, cars, and even roads can all be powered by solar. Probably this the prime solar panel used in future that will make transportation free from fossil fuel. Third, rooftop solar. Rooftop solar cell can be used to provide heat, light, and other electricity dependent need in home and buildings. Now, solar cell has advantages and disadvantages too. Advantages. Solar power is pollution free and causes no greenhouse gases. It reduces dependence on foreign oil and fossil fuel. It can be installed virtually anywhere in a field as well as on a building. Use battery to store extra power for use at night. Disadvantages. No solar power at night, so there is a need for a large battery bank. Cloudy days do not produce as much energy. Solar panels are not being mass produced due to of a lack material and production cost is very high. Now the next part will be discussed by Badal.
Thank you, Suchi. Now we discuss working of PavGen. The PavGen technology used in the installation of flooring that transfers the kinetic energy of pedestrians into electrical energy and data. As people step on the tiles, their weight causes electric magnetic induction generators to vertically displace, which result in a rotatory motion that generates off grid electricity. When a step down, the tile's surface flexes between 5 to 10 mm. This downward pressure creates a rotation in the electromagnetic generators beneath and producing around 3 joule per foot a step or around 5 watt of continuous power while the person is walking. We can either store that energy in batteries or use it to power local applications such as lighting, sensors, and data collections and transmission. Now, this picture shows how PavGen works. Now we discuss some advantages and disadvantages of PavGen. Advantages. These tiles can be used indoors or outdoors in high traffic areas and generates electricity from pedestrian football. If we implement this technology, we can supply the power to grids such as pedestrian lighting. Tiles are completely renewable and eco-friendly technology. If we reduce approximately 6.817 tons of excessive CO2 every day emission by tiles into atmosphere by using this PavGen technology. The top surface is built entirely of recycled material and harvesting human power to produce energy is the best practice in order to fulfill the energy demand. Now we discuss some disadvantages. Low amount of energy is produced during each step or moment of the slab. Essential cost is extremely high and it cannot be used as a primary source energy source. And in India, we have to import this technology for replacement of tiles. Now we discuss working of inlet turbine. Using passing wind as an energy source, a typical wind turbine converts kinetic energy into usable electricity. While many wind turbines are large and found in mountainous regions or open fields, the Enlil has a more urban source of wind energy. By plopping this tiny tower in the middle of a street, even one with relatively little traffic, it captures the wind passing vehicles and convert it into electricity. Combined with its wind turbine capabilities, the Enlil is capable of generating up to 1 kilowatt of energy per hour that is enough to power 2 households for a single day. The solar panels located on the top of the turbine provides extra electricity to be captured. This relatively small wind turbine is easily installed on an island between traffic lanes where it captures the winds from the both direction of traffic flows. And for moments when there are fewer cars to qualify its usefulness on any given day, the Enlil has a built-in solar panels to take in solar energy as well. Now this picture shows how Enlil turbines works. Now we discuss advantages and disadvantages of Enlil turbine. Apart from apart from providing an easily accessible source of electricity in cities, the urban setting of the Enlil gives it another use: monitoring. Located inside the wind turbine are wave of sensors which measures its city's temperature, CO2 emission, earthquake intensity, and of course, wind strength and direction. There is no damage to the birds, and it can be used to develop nearby villages and make it prosperous. Now we discuss some disadvantages. One turbine can't provide sufficient power, so collective turbines are used, and essential cost is also high. and huge amount of traffic is essential for this. And if the speed of vehicles is less, then it is ineffective that time. Now from here, my friend Keshav will proceed.
Thank you, Badal. Now I want to discuss about the last topic, electrical vehicles, by which we can reduce the use of fossil fuels. Now, working of electrical vehicles. Electrical cars can work by replacing a combustion engine with an electric motor. Electric cars function by plugging into a charge point and taking electricity from the grid. They store the electricity in rechargeable batteries, that is, the lithium ion batteries that power an electric motor which turns the wheels by using transmission system. Electric cars accelerate faster than vehicles with traditional fuel engines, so they feel lighter to drive. This figure shows the working of an electric car. Now the types of electrical vehicles. First one is battery electric vehicles. These are fully electric vehicles with rechargeable batteries and no gasoline engines. These vehicles store electricity on board with high capacity battery packs. Now, plug in hybrid electric vehicles. These can recharge the battery through both regenerative braking and plugging into an external source of electrical power. Last one is hybrid electric vehicles. These vehicles are powered by both gasoline and electricity. The electric energy generated by the car's own braking system to recharge the battery. Components required for making of electrical vehicles: battery, charge port, DC or AC converter, electric traction motor, onboard charger, power electronics controller, thermal system for cooling, traction battery pack, and transmission system. This figure shows all the components inside an electric car. Now these are some examples of electric vehicles. Now the advantages and disadvantages of using electrical vehicles. First of all, I want to discuss about the advantages. It is cheaper to run because of low rates of electricity than petrol or diesel. Zero harmful emission, better for environment. It reduces the noise pollution. It uses renewable source as fuel, that is the batteries are 100% recyclable. Now the disadvantages of using electrical vehicles. Electrical vehicles are too expensive compared to vehicles that run on petrol or diesel. Recharging the battery requires long time. Using over a long time, batteries get weaker and requires high cost for replacement. Lesser charging stations nowadays. Now I want to conclude our presentation. Renewable sources of energy are renewable and easily regenerated. This is unlike fossil fuels which are perishable once used. Renewable source of energy such as solar produce clean energy that does not pollute the environment. This is because no burning is required during usage of the energy. Renewable sources of energy boost economic growth and increase job opportunities. This includes electrical energy which is used to run many industries. Now the references used for making this presentation: Google, Wikipedia, Bing, and YouTube. Thank you.
Okay, very good presentation. So first question to Keshav. So components, just go to the components required for making of electrical vehicle. So now in that case you have to write the DC-AC converter, but in your picture DC-DC converter. Is it is it DC-AC converter or DC-DC converter?
Sir, DC or AC converter. लिखा हुआ।
अच्छा, so okay. Another question. Another question. Which one has more efficient among battery electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid, and hybrid electric vehicles? Which one is more efficient, and why? Bolo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which one is more efficient among the battery electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, and hybrid electric vehicles, and why?
Sir, hybrid electric vehicles, I think.
So in what basis you say hybrid electric vehicle has more efficient?
Because in hybrid electric vehicles, the cars, the car generate the electricity by recharging its own battery, so no external thing is required.
Okay. Now my question is going to the Badal. Badal, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Acha. PEBGen. Okay. So use the PEBGen in our country.
बहुत सारे शहर में यूज होता है।
एक एग्जांपल दो।
सर हम बोले,
थोड़ा रुको, उसको बोलने दो ना।
अच्छा
उसके बाद तुम्हारे भी क्वेश्चन आएगा।
ऐसे शहर तो नहीं याद है, लेकिन मीन्स बड़े बड़े शहर में यूज होते हैं।
ठीक है, सूची बोलो।
सर बेंगलोर।
नहीं, बेंगलोर कहाँ यूज होता है? मैंने बोला कोई कौन सा स्टेट में नहीं, कहाँ पे यूज होता है PEBGen?
अच्छा, वो तो रोड वगैरह पे।
हाँ, रोड पे तो यूज होता है, बट वेस्ट बंगाल में तो कहाँ पे नहीं है, बिहार पे तो नहीं है, तो बेंगलोर में कि PEBGen यूज होता है?
नो सर, इंडिया में उतना यूज नहीं होता है।
अच्छा, ठीक है। लास्ट क्वेश्चन मेरा इसको। अच्छा, नॉन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी, व्हाट इज नॉन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी?
सर सर विच कैन फिनिश्ड मीन्स कोल, पेट्रोलियम। सर जो खत्म हो सकता है और फिर से रिन्यूएबल नहीं हो सकता, जनरेट नहीं हो सकता है।
अच्छा, ओके, वेरी गुड, ठीक है, चलो,
यस
ओके।
सर।